Welcome to No More Bad Mondays. I'm Matt.
And I'm David, and we're here to show you ways to get Microsoft 365 working for you.
Today we're at Cat's Pajamas in Nailsworth, where they offer co-working space and meeting rooms to local businesses.
We couldn't think of a better place to talk to you about optimizing the reservation of your offices, meeting rooms, and hot desk spaces.
So today we are going to show you our office reservation solution, which enhances workspace management by harnessing the versatility of Microsoft Power Apps and Microsoft Outlook calendar appointments.
But that's not all. Part of the process of building an office reservation app means we need our room data to be added to our Microsoft Admin Center. In this video, we will highlight the benefits of you doing this as well, including a great feature in Outlook it will unlock.
Don't forget, if you like what you see, head over to nomorebadmondays.com for a step-by-step course on how to build the app yourself, or get in touch and we can handle the process for you.
Right, let's dive into our office reservation app.
Okay, before we show you our finished app, let's show you how to add rooms to the Microsoft Admin Center. This is going to give you the ability to build the app that will allow you to book onto these rooms, but it's also going to unlock a really cool feature in Outlook Calendar. So to do this, you're going to need access to the Microsoft Admin Center. If you don't have access, speak to your organization who may be able to give you access or do this part for you. Once you have access to the Admin Center, on the left-hand side, click on Resources and then Rooms and Equipment. You can see I've already got a couple of rooms here, and I'm going to click on Add Resource and I'm going to add another room. There's a drop down for type, so you have room or equipment, and then you want to name your room. So what is the name of your room? For us, it's the fire room. It then will set up an email address for the fire room, but it will also say that it's not valid. This is because the spacing between the words, if you have more than one word for a room name. You can simply sort that out by removing the space. Then it's going to ask for how many people can be in this room. What's the maximum capacity of this room? For us, it's 45 people. And then you can also set up a location. So where is this room? In which building is this room in which city it's in which country it's in. You can do that from here as well. Then you're going to click Save. And it's going to take a couple of minutes to set that room up for you. But then after that, you'll be able to use it straight away. So let's now move on to looking at what that unlocks in Microsoft Outlook Calendar. On Outlook, I've set up a new event, a new meeting. It's with David at this date and this time. I then, as usual, want to add in my room or location. Location is great for off-site meetings, but if you're on-site, you're going to want to know what room the meeting is taking place. Now, if I've made up a room, it's going to allow me to add that in there. But what that's not telling me is if that room is actually available or is already occupied by somebody having a meeting, or perhaps they've used the app that we're about to show you to book up the room. So now you've added your rooms into the Microsoft Admin Center, you can see if that room's occupied. So one of the rooms was called the Hospitality Hub. You can see that that's showing me now that that room is available and it can take up to 25 people. Now if somebody books up that room on the app or perhaps through an Outlook calendar event, then that room would become unavailable. It's a great feature that's added in when you add in your rooms to the Microsoft Admin Center. Now let's take a look at the app that we created. Now we're looking at this through a Power App preview screen, however it's designed to work on an internal staff member's mobile phone. You may be aware that Power Apps actually offers a template to build an office reservation app, however it feels really dated and also it lacks a number of features that I'm going to show you in a second. But it's a great place to get started, and we actually use that as the foundation to build this app. So from the home screen, there's a singular call to action, which is book a space. From there, straight away, you can see our rooms along with a description and photo, and you can change the day and the time. So let's go through some of those features. So if I want to book a meeting and I want to change the day, I simply go into the calendar, decide when it is. So let's do Tuesday 10th. Click Save. And if I want to change the time, I can use these drop downs, or I can use the buttons below. So if it starts at 9:30 and it's going to last an hour, I can click 1 hour and it would change the end time to 10:30. Again, if I try another one, 4 hours, it would change the end time to 1:30. Then click save. It's going to show you all the rooms available at that time. Now, if somebody's already booked in those rooms, they're not going to show here. So we've got the room name there, and we've got the room description and photo. Description and photo is something that both the template in Power Apps for this misses, and is also not within the room data on the Microsoft Admin Center. So that's something that we've added in. So I can see the rooms, I can see what they're like, I can see a bit of a description of it, and I can decide which room I want for the 10th of October from 9:30 to 1:30. I'm going to go with the Hospitality Hub. I click book. I'll receive an email to notify me, and it will also be in my Outlook calendar. We hope this video gave you some useful ideas when it comes to creating your office reservation app and updating your Microsoft Admin Center with your room data.
Don't forget to comment below if you've got any questions or thoughts, and don't forget to head over to nomorebadmondays.com.
Thanks for watching.